I saw someone at the Vectorworks forum questioning how do you subtract multiple objects from a single solid object like this. So the answer is you select all of these objects and select the object which is going to be the base object, right click, and we'll subtract solids. Now Vectorworks will select the base object and highlight it in red and let you know that this is going to be the object which is left behind. Now how do we know which object should be left behind? Well, it actually comes back to the creation order. I created this object first, then I created these three. If Vectorworks gets it wrong, you can always choose the next object in this list. That's the bottommost object, that's the topmost object. So it's using the stacking order of the objects, that is the creation order of the objects, in order to determine what's the base object to be left behind. And there we are. I've actually created that shape there. I've subtracted three objects from that base object. Hi, I'm Jonathan. Thank you for watching. This is just a small sample of what I teach every month with my 3D modeling workshop. Every month I get together with people who have a question. I answer their questions, I record it. It's available on my website. This is just a small sample of what's available on my website. Hope to see you there. Bye.